Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
They were online at like Best Buy.
Okay.
16 bucks a piece.
Yeah. You can't beat that even to build it with the wood material.
And
Nice.
I beat on it so hard that both of them broke off at the triple joint.
Really?
So I had to re-silicone them my own way.
Yeah.
To get them to work.
Get them to go back.
Work.
What are the subs?
These are image dynamic.
Okay.
They're the bottom of the line. So there's 3 tiers. It's the lowest tier. So each one's a dual 2.
Yeah.
And they're wired in series. And then I have them wired parallel together to make a 2-ohm load.
Okay. So 250 watts RMS.
Yeah. They're
Got it.
very low power. Very
Yeah. Where's the amp?
Under the seat over here.
Okay. Oh, in the front.
So I'm not sure if you might want to get in the back seat.
Yeah, I'll go from the back. Check it out. Yep. We have a really small compact. This is a Rockford Prime or?
Yeah, Prime 500.
Okay. That's a good combo. At 1 ohm or 2?
This is at 2 ohm.
Okay.
2 ohm mono.
Sweet. Any extra battery to alternate or just stock?
Everything's stock.
All right. Nice. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. I gave him the camera to do the trunk flex.
Oh, awesome. So this is this door speakers have been replaced with some Pioneer 6x9s. But they're running off radio power.
Okay.
So the only thing I put into it is door speakers. They're $50.
All right.
Subs were 140 a piece. Amp was like 200.
Okay. I see what you're saying about a $400 or $500 system.
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. Yeah, man, I ain't looking for nothing loud, crazy, but hey, it's sweet. And this is your daily driver?
It is.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'm ready to hear it, man. Awesome.
Short nigga, but my dick tall. Wanna to the bitch dog. All the dog nigga damn in the bitch fall. Dirty fan bitches wanna suck my dick off. Papa's in it for a penny, get the hip floor. Run up in the shit, bro. I got a girl, I ain't never got the fucking condom. If she caught me, then that bitch a big pissed off. Real nigga shit, Berkey be mobbing all day. Probably with money all shit. Then my niggas from back in the day. Tarzan Nation won this place. You probably don't want what they get. Oh yeah. And it's brain. Shots go up on my clock, man. Jab a right to the goal, yeah, brain. Then me, I'm pissed. Shoot a rocket, make a motherfucker lift down. Life will be loving all day. When niggas is chopping and yeah. They chopping, I'm choppers, the end of
This one sometimes flexes the
okay.
wipers. So
Oh, wow. Higher tuned?
it's lower.
Lower, okay. Could you open yours and I have mine shut?
Big Shabba.
doors a little bit louder. Thanks for showing me, man.
Sure.
Yeah, there's all audiences like to hear different systems, so you guys waiting on me too. Anyway, nice to see you, man.
Nice seeing you,
Good to see
man.
you again. Thanks for showing me a little daily budget driver. I still share any system, you know. I like all systems.
Yeah.
And there's people out there that like. Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.